I was horrified when I saw Annie's glove had been torn open by a spike on the panel. If her body got exposed to space, her lungs could literally burst from the pressure. Everyone at Mission Control was completely stunned. I told her not to move and carefully cut the spike off, then guided her back into the station. But just as I got her safely into the module, I suddenly saw this strange magical light, and I froze instead of shutting the hatch, leaving her completely exposed to danger. So after all this, she almost ended up dying because of what I did. My supervisor demanded to know what I had seen that made me ignore Annie's safety. I told him I saw an alien, but he didn't believe a word of it. He even thought I was hallucinating and decided I shouldn't work in space anymore. But not long after that, the Soviet Salyut 7 station suddenly went dead. If it stayed offline for too long, it would fall back to Earth, and crashing into a populated area would be disastrous. So to avoid becoming a joke to the US and the West, Mission Control decided to send astronauts to repair it, and if they couldn't fix it, they'd blow it up with a missile. But that would create a massive field of debris that could wipe out every satellite in orbit, setting our space program back by 10 years. So they rushed to find someone experienced enough and tested docking in the simulator. But the station was rotating on 2 axes at 1 degree per second, making manual docking insanely hard. No matter how many astronauts tried, none of them succeeded. Even the supervisor failed when he tried himself. So he had no choice but to come back to me, hoping I could dock with the station and carry out the repairs. So Tony and I launched into space, and I couldn't help hoping to see that strange light again. After the boosters fully separated, we entered open space.